In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a template in Webflow. If you're new to Webflow, this tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process of getting a fresh start with your project. Let's dive straight in. First, we'll begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to Webflow's main website. This platform is a powerful visual website builder that enables you to create customized sites without writing code. Once you've reached the home page, the next step would be to log in. On the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. This will take you into your personal workspace where all your creative projects are stored. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where all your projects are listed. From here, select the project you'd like to reset the template for. Once you've clicked on your project, you'll be directed to the project editor. Now, inside the project, your next move is to focus on the left-hand side panel, where you'll see the Pages section. Click on it and navigate through the list of pages that are part of your project. If you've added any extra pages throughout your creation process that are not part of the original template, now is the time to delete them. Simply click on the pages you wish to remove and look for the Delete option. Removing these additional pages will ensure that you return to the original state of the template. This process is about getting back to basics and stripping away any elements that have been added over time, allowing you to start fresh or to prepare for a new direction with your design. Remember, resetting your template doesn't mean you lose everything. It's just a way of decluttering and focusing on what's essential in your current phase of work. Once you've cleared out any unwanted pages, you'll have successfully reset your template in Webflow. This straightforward method is perfect for when you want to start over or simply recalibrate your current design direction. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Mastering these basic housekeeping skills in Webflow is crucial for maintaining the flexibility and creativity the platform offers. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a fresh start with your design projects. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.